Hi everyone, so tonight we are at the Ramada in Oxford. So why we're in Oxford, that will be revealed on our next video. But yeah, let's go and see what this room is like. So we are in room 28. So as usual, let's do the knock on the door.
As usual, Muggins has to open it.
How are we doing, Lee?
Oh, I'm fine.
Good. Are we having a good day?
Yeah.
So, where shall we start?
Oh, I don't know. Where do you want to start?
Lovely mirror.
Oh, that I've just sat in front of.
As usual.
Yeah.
So, let's go and have a look in the bathroom. Lovely mirror again. So, notice lovely big sink. We've got hand wash. And we've got towels. What's named down? Towels feel like really fluffy, feel really nice. So we've got a bath tonight. The reason we've got a bath is when I actually rang up, they said to me, they got a ground floor with a bath, or I could have had a higher room with a shower. So I chose ground floor with the bath. So it's just for the one night, so got a grab rail there. And there's your shower. So yeah, that's fine. Oh, that could do with a little bit of a clean. So yeah, fine, standard. It's not being cleaned. Yeah, fine. Right then, let's come out of here then. Oh, here's the wardrobe. What we're going to find in the wardrobe?
Hangers.
Hangers. Not bad. Oh, got another pillow up there. Another pillow there as well.
Conversation.
So we've got 2 cups. So yeah, that cup looks okay. That looks okay. Yep. And again, that cup looks fine. Let's do our kettle test. Baby, could you come and help me? I'm struggling to get into this kettle tonight. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Okay, Granny Poke. Look, you just open it, Granny Poke.
Thank you so much. That's fine. It's still got a bit of water in, but it looks okay. No scale at all. So, yeah, another mirror there. So it says here, guest services directory, FAQs, restaurant menu and more. So there's a scan thing, QR code there. I like that photo. Quite okay. So we've got, if you notice tonight, we've got a single bed and we've got a queen bed. So the reason for this is, would you like to reveal yourself? The reason for this is we have somebody staying with us tonight. So what are you doing here?
I've come for a holiday at Butlins. Goodbye.
Yeah, that is going to be, yeah, we are off on our holidays. But I will still be filming it. So, yes, we are off to Butlins to go and for the opening of the Play X experience. So, yeah, looking forward to that one. Anyway, carrying on. So, we've got a phone for the room. Lights. That one does that one. That one's not working. Or am I having a, as Lee would say, Granny Poke moment? Is that one working?
I don't know.
No, can't get that one working. Let's try on the other side. There's no light. We've got TV there. Nice big thing. Radiator. on here. Again, it doesn't look like either of the lights are working because it's turned on from there. So no. So we've just got that one, we've just got the main light, which is a bit of a bore. I do like the smaller lights at night time. So, Right, we've got a chair. And then looking out, where are we looking out to tonight, guys? Obviously, we haven't got a sea view because we're nowhere near the sea. So, we're looking out over the car park. And we can see our car in the car park. So that's good. And we're being able to park in disabled parking. That's really good. So all in all, quite happy with this one, are you?
That's not too bad.
Yeah, absolutely. We've also got a hairdryer. So yeah, be able to do hair in the morning. And there's also as well a plug to charge my scooter up in. And there seems to be more plugs this time. So yeah, not a plug problem either. There was a really spacious restaurant and the menu was really good. Menu. Drinks menu. It means we've got complete different selection. And desserts as well. And children's menu. The bar is also well stocked with lots of items. And there's also a little shop as well that you can buy little items from. Then you have a nice lounge area. It's really nice. And more design. It's really nice. That brings the end of this day at the Ramada in Oxford. So just to say that it was really good stay. Slept really well. The beds were really comfy. And yeah, apart from the two things that we found in the bathroom, really enjoyed it. There was lots of availability of food within the service station, and also the hotel itself had a nice restaurant and bar. So yeah, we wouldn't hesitate to stay at this hotel again. So well done to Ramada, and yeah, I would give this hotel an 8 out of 10. So well done, and really good on disability as well. So excellent. Until next time, another video from us. Goodbye.